Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Hope you all are doing great. And Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. I wanted to announce this one thing because बहुत से लोग reach out कर रहे थे for PTE course. And just to let you know, we had one. हम offer कर रहे थे in the beginning, but then we stopped because of people did not know that we offer PTE as well. It was only IELTS and English communication. But now I thought that how people are going to know if they have not even seen me talking about it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post more about PTE on my channels here as well. I will start the course of PTE soon as well. And the exclusive course, which is going to be online, we are going to offer that as well from next month. So if you want to register yourself for that, you have to hurry up and do it right now because I'm taking very limited number of students. Okay. And apart from that, whatever your requests are, whatever you want to learn, let me know in here as well because of course this whole channel is going to be regarding PTE, IELTS, and also English communication course. And we're going to manage all of these things together in a way that we are taking care of everything and each student gets benefit and also help from it as well. And also I was thinking about one thing that I'm going to make one long video and there I will cover the whole IELTS course. What do you think? So it can be of 7 hours, 8 hours, or whatsoever. What do you think about it? Or you prefer shorter videos, or one long video talking about all the modules such as listening, reading, writing, speaking, everything from syllabus, from format, tips, tricks, everything included in one video. Tell me, what do you think about this? If you find it interesting, I'll do it. If not, then of course I'm gonna make some parts out of it. And also I already have a series of IELTS course which you can check out, and I'm gonna post some really interesting videos really soon as well. And apart from that, PTE videos are coming. And if you have any certain thing, certain request for me to post about and talk about, please do let me know. Hope to see you around. Allah Hafiz.